Kandia with Kandia Haynesworth Designs, and thank you so much for joining in. Today I'm going to be doing a quick review that is on this micro speaker pod that was purchased for my birthday off of Walmart.com. I've partnered up with Walmart.com and I am paid to endorse their products. However, this actually was a gift. Okay, and so once again, this was purchased off of Walmart.com. Those of you who follow my videos know that every year around my birthday, I give a list to my family members and friends, and I ask for things that are good for my studio. And so I knew that I was getting a new computer. I knew that I was getting a keyboard, and I knew that every computer that I have had in my experience of laptops and desktops over the last 20 years of my life, I have always had an issue with the speakers, okay? I always need extra sound or louder sound, and so I knew that I would want some speakers. Okay, but this was my family had purchased this for me, and so I knew that the budget wasn't going to be big here, okay? And so what I did was I went on Walmart.com and I looked for the reviews of speakers that were under $10. Yes, I said under $10 because I knew that a kid would be purchasing this for me, and I came across this micro speaker pod. It's absolutely adorable, and the best part of it all was that it is on clearance and it was under $3. Okay, so it comes in this case. I love this protective case because this is a reusable protective case, okay? And it's a nice size protective case, all right? And so you could use both parts, okay, because it's not something that's connected together, which is probably what I will be doing. And I gotta tell you that I really was impressed overall with how this was set up and how it feels. It has that soft brushed feeling to it, okay? And so when you open it, all right, now I gotta tell you that I have tested this speaker out already because I didn't know how it was gonna sound and so forth. It comes like this, and it comes with a manual, and it also comes with a $10 music credit, okay? And so you can log on to emusic.com and you can claim your $10 trial credit, you know, when you have logged on to this website. And so the fact that this was under $3 on clearance, and plus it came with a $10 music credit, which I will be using, I thought that that was a phenomenal deal, okay? It doesn't say that on the website, but I'm just telling you now that this is what it comes with. You have your user manual and you have your card, okay, and that it comes with this little drawstring bag, all right, and the drawstring bag can house the micro speaker pod, and it comes with a cord, okay? Now this cord attaches to both your computer, and it attaches here, okay? So you would just plug it in, and you would plug this part into your computer, okay? And then it also has this little part under here. This plugs into like the microphone area, and so it would have to be close to your laptop or your desktop, and then you would plug the USB port in as well, okay? And so what I like about it is the fact that it is small and it sits right next to wherever you are, and you can hear it. And this has a powerful boom. For it to be so little, it's so cute. It has a powerful boom. I love it. I love the way they made this, the website. And so this micro speaker pod is called Juice by Elexa. So not Alexa, but Elexa. And it can be purchased at Walmart.com. They currently have it under $3 on clearance, and I will post the link below. I don't know how many they have in stock, so if you are looking for an affordable speaker with a loud boom for your desktop or your laptop or your tablet, this is the way to go. And it also states that this is compatible and can connect to iPads and tablets, notebook PCs, gaming devices, mobile phones, CD players, and even iPod and MP3 players. However, I can confirm that this also can connect to a desktop because that is what I am using it for. And so if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Come visit me on KandiaHaynesworth.com on Facebook or on Instagram at Kandia Haynesworth. And until then, I'll see you next time.